5 plus 5 gives us 10, and 10 times 10 is equal to 100, and 100 divided by 100 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, so P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parenthesis, and parenthesis is priority number 1. And then we have to solve exponent, and then we have to solve the multiplication or division, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction. According to this rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. But here is where most people get the wrong answer. So they think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication should be solved first, but that is not the case, because multiplication and division have both equal priority, right? Multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve them left to right. So since multiplication and division have equal priority, we are going to solve the equation left from to right, starting from 100, and we are going to divide and multiply that way. So that is the right sequence to follow, and multiplication and division have equal priority. So here we are going to solve the problem correctly. So we have a parenthesis, and we are going to do the parenthesis first, and 5 plus 5 gives us 10. And the problem becomes 100 divided by 10 times 10. So according to the order of operation, we have to do the division, not because division has higher priority than multiplication, but because division comes before multiplication, and we have to do the problem left to right, starting from 100 divided by 10, and we are going to multiply that. So 100 divided by 10 gives us 10, and 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So the correct answer to this question is 100.